Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making glow-in-the-dark slime. And please like if you want me to show you my slime collection. Please subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment. Now let's go. The first ingredient is that you need glue, of course. Then you need a bowl, a mixing tool, some lotion, 1 teaspoon of borax, and 1 cup of hot water. We're going to form the glue.
Hers is glow in the dark, but it's blue. Just an FYI. And it has sparkles in it.
Me like that bowl. Poured out all the glue. Now I'm going to put some lotion just to make it stretchy.
Put it on the car.
And we got the lotion to come out. I got like a whole splot. Well, me too. Me too. And of course, this is my little brother. So he put his whole hand, almost his whole hand in there. Can you get us to start adding little bits of the borax solution?
After mixing for forever.
I know, after mixing for forever. Alright, and I guess let's go see if it's actually glow in the dark. For some reason it glows in the dark in person, but not on the camera. So
And we even have shine like light on it and everything, and it doesn't. Like you don't even see anything still.
yeah. It's weird. But this is really nice slime. And yeah, and when I said in the beginning of the video, like the video if you want to see my slime collection. And then